everyone, welcome to my channel. This channel is all about tutorials and graphic design techniques. So if you're interested and you found this video informative and helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa mga latest posts ko. So today, let's talk about something na lahat ng graduates natanong na. Anong next after graduation? Kasi 'di ba, right after makuha natin yung diploma, ang daming expectations agad. Pero minsan, hindi pa naman tayo ready, 'di ba? So in this vlog, I'll share you with some realistic, practical, and honest steps na pwede mong gawin after mag-graduate. Kahit hindi ka pa sure, okay lang. Let's figure it out together. Part 1. Pause and reflect. First of all, breathe ka muna. Okay lang na magpahinga ka. Hindi mo kailangang may solid na plan agad-agad. So take a moment to ask yourself, ano bang gusto ko? Magtatrabaho na ba ako? Mag-aaral ulit? Magnenegosyo na lang kaya? Kahit wala ka pang sagot sa mga tanong na yan, valid ka pa rin. I know may pressure, minsan galing sa family, minsan sa sarili natin. Pero remember, life is not a race. May kanya-kanyang timing tayo. Part 2. Explore your options. Option A. Mag-apply ng trabaho. Start with your resume. Kung wala ka pa, may tutorial ako sa channel na to using Canva and it's super dali lang. Mag-practice ka na rin ng job interviews and pwede kang maghanap ng job sa JobStreet, Caliber at LinkedIn. Friendly tip, apply ka lang kahit hindi perfect ang qualifications mo. Try lang, di ba? Wala namang masama sa pag-try. Option B, continue studying. Pwede kang kumuha ng civil service exam and may reviewer vlog din ako. Or mag-enroll sa short courses like TESTA or even free Google certificates. Worth it siya actually, especially kung gusto mong i-upskill ang sarili mo. Option C, freelancing or small business. So kung may skills ka sa writing, design, video editing, try mo sa Upwork or Fiverr. And pwede ka rin magbenta ng Canva templates, planners, or stickers online. Just like what I do here, which is content creation, isa din itong valid path. For option D, help at home or volunteer. So hindi ito tamad ha, minsan kailangan din ng family natin ng tulong, or kung active ka sa SK, church, or LGU, grab those opportunities because they teach you life skills na hindi mo matututunan sa school. Part 3. Plan smart, not perfect. Whatever you choose, set small goals muna. Huwag muna isipin ang 10 years from now. Actually, pwede mo naman siyang isipin, pero later on na yun. Isipin mo muna, ano kaya ang kaya mong gawin this month? Kaya mo bang mag-apply ng 5 jobs this week? Or makapag-ipon ng pangbayad sa exam? Para organized ang iyong mga gagawin, gumamit ka ng planner. Canva has so many free templates and may video rin ako about that. So write down your goals, kahit simple lang. And ang pinaka-importante, don't compare your journey sa iba. So may mga kaklase kang may trabaho na agad, and that's okay. Kasi ikaw, baka iba din ang idaan mo. Pero trust me, you're not behind. And ito pa, gusto kong i-remind kayo na okay lang kung ang first job mo ay hindi related sa course mo. Kasi hindi ibig sabihin nun na sayang pinag-aralan mo. Sometimes you just need experience muna or income to support yourself or your family. Hindi ka mas mababa dahil iba ang field mo. Kahit nasa sales ka, cashier, call center, service crew, that's still valid, respectable work. Lahat ng yan ay part ng journey mo. At kung gusto mong bumalik sa field mo later on, you always can. Walang mali sa pag-explore, lalo na kung para sa ikakaayos ng buhay mo. And alam mo ba, maraming successful people ang nag-start sa trabaho na totally different from their degree. So what matters is you're learning, you're growing, and you're moving forward. So ngayon, after graduation, hindi mo naman kailangang malaman lahat agad. Just take one small step forward and the next step will follow. Kung may natutunan ka today, please like and share this video sa mga kapwa mong fresh graduate. Comment down below anong plano mo after graduation. And don't forget to subscribe dahil sa next vlog ko gagawa tayo ng resume from scratch using Canva. Again, this is Jot Knows reminding you to dream slow but dream slow.